Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or help solve the problem of stuck on loading on the application of Brave. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will write the name of this application of Brave and we click. Here you will go to first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause errors on your app. Here you will go to Play Store. You search about the application of Brave. If you find update you can update your app, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.